Imagine tigers roaming African grasslands. Not in a zoo, not in Asia, but right here in South Africa. This is Tiger Canyon, a bold conservation experiment that rewrote the rules of wildlife restoration. Now known as an ecotourism and conservation brand, Kishindo Tiger Canyon has dedicated over 25 years to wildlife and environmental preservation. This reserve not only offers visitors a unique encounter with nature, but also stands as a living testament to conservation success. From the moment we pulled up, we were embraced by a warm welcome and served a refreshing welcome drink. We were then taken on a brief tour of the property. Built into the canyon's cliff face, with its natural boulders adding unique characteristics to the interiors, the lodge exudes an effortlessly casual yet elegant vibe. One of the most unforgettable moments during our visit at Kishindo Private Game Reserve was the Tiger Canyon Safari. For any wildlife enthusiast, Tiger Canyon offers a truly unique adventure, a rare chance to see tigers up close in the wild. As soon as we entered this secure, expansive landscape, I felt the thrill of knowing that here, these majestic creatures roam freely, each move a testament to nature's raw beauty. Kishindo's story begins in 1999 with John Varty, a well-known conservationist and co-owner of Londolozi. Alarmed by collapsing tiger numbers in Asia, John asked a daring question: could an ex-situ population of tigers thrive in South Africa? Inspired by Dr. Ian Player's groundbreaking rhino conservation project, John Varty made a revolutionary move. He relocated a pair of tiger cubs from a Canadian zoo to his Free State property, then known as Tiger Canyons. These young cubs began their rewilding journey with daily supervised bushwalks, helping them adapt to the wild step by step. As time went on, 2 more captive-born tiger cubs joined the reserve, adding to the genetic mix needed for a healthy population. Fast forward to today, and Kishindo Tiger Canyon is home to 3rd and 4th generation tigers that are fully adapted to the African wilderness, and they even hunt for themselves. Unlike the more common encounters you might have on traditional safaris, where you might see lions or elephants, Tiger Canyon stands apart with its exclusive focus on tigers. This isn't just a drive-by spectacle, it's an immersive journey into the lives of these exclusive big cats. As we carefully navigated the trails, every rustling in the bush heightened our anticipation, each moment filled with the possibility that we'd catch a glimpse of a tiger in action. During our morning drive, we finally encountered Kumba, the majestic male tiger, and followed him with bated breath as he moved gracefully across the clearing. The excitement grew as he reunited with his mate Tybo and their 3 adorable cubs. We spent the better part of the morning in awe, soaking in every moment of this rare and heartwarming reunion. If you'd like to see more of this beautiful tiger family and witness their interactions up close, I've added a link into the description below. It was a truly special sight that captured the magic and wonder of the wild. But the conservation story doesn't stop with tigers. In 2013, as part of the Cheetah Wild project, cheetahs, once extinct in the Free State, were reintroduced to the reserve. Through a partnership with the Endangered Wildlife Trust and the Meta-Population Initiative, Kishindo Tiger Canyon has successfully bred and relocated many young cheetahs to other reserves, strengthening their populations across Africa. During our stay at Tiger Canyon, we experienced an incredible close-up encounter with 4 young cheetahs. We watched in awe as they feasted on a freshly caught springbok, a raw, fascinating glimpse into the cycle of life in the wild. Today, as you see these animals move freely and thrive in a landscape reborn, it's clear that passionate, science-backed conservation can change the course of nature. Kishindo Tiger Canyon is not just a reserve. It's a living, breathing example of how innovative ideas and persistent efforts come together to rewrite nature's story. In this enclosure, we encountered 3 young cheetah cubs who had recently lost their mother to renal failure. Watching them call out for her, knowing she would never return, was a deeply heartbreaking reminder of the challenges they face in the wild. Our final day at Tiger Canyon, we headed out to a stunning lookout at the Vanderkloof Dam. There, we relaxed with some delicious snacks and a refreshing sundowner drink, soaking in the beauty of the moment. Watching the sun dip below the horizon over Tiger Canyon is a moment I'll never forget. As the sky transforms into a tapestry of gold and crimson, it feels like nature is whispering a gentle farewell, yet promising a new adventure with each rising sun. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Tiger Canyon. If you enjoyed witnessing these moments of natural beauty and adventure, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our new adventures. Next time, join me as we explore the Kruger National Park, from the wilds of the north all the way down to the south. We'll camp at a variety of camps, share stunning sightings, and relive a heart-pounding moment being chased by an elephant.